an output type of question based on functions with the default values. So to answer an output, step 1, memory should be allocated for the global variables. So above the main function, this part is a function. So above the main function and outside all functions, there are no variables. So this program does not contain global variable. Execution of a C++ program starts at the main function. Now, first line. Int p is equal to 40, q is equal to 43, memory should be allocated for p and q. After this, next line. If you see this symbol, understand that it is a function. On encountering a function call, finally control reaches a point where the function is defined. The first argument is passed to first parameter. Here ampersand sign is there, meaning this one is a reference variable, so x is another name for p. So this p gets one more name, x. The second argument is passed to second parameter. Here ampersand sign is not there, which means y is an ordinary variable. New memory should be allocated for y. And what does y contain? The second argument is given, so q comes in variable y. What is q? Q is 43. So your y contains 43. Suppose if the second argument was not given, then the default value 10 comes in variable y. Anyway, it is given. So here in this example, q comes in variable y. Now inside, x modulo y, what is x? X is 40. What is y? 43. So 40 modulo 43. When you divide 40 with 43, the remainder is 40. Because 40 modulo 43, 40 is written inside, 43 is written outside, 0 into 43 is 0, the remainder is 40. So here 40 modulo 43, remainder 40, and if I simply write x modulo y, the condition tested is not equal to 0. If I write exclamatory mark x modulo y, the condition tested equal to 0. So here it is not equal to 0. So 40 not equal to 0, condition true, this statement will be executed. Now prefix means change and use. So plus plus x, your x contains 40, so 40 plus plus or plus plus 40, it becomes 41, and the changed quantity 41 should be used for returning the answer. So return 41, and to where 41 is returned? To the point from where the function was called. So here you get 41, that is assigned to q, so your q contains 41. Finally, when the control comes here, remember the names x and y does not exist. Now, after this, next line, here you get the output, cout output operator p, 41. There is no output operator space, so without any space, output operator q, 41. So in the computer's monitor, you get 41, 41, and because of endl, cursor goes to next line. Now here, this symbol is the function. On encountering a function call, finally control reaches the point where the function is defined. So control comes here. The first argument is passed to first parameter. Here ampersand sign is there. So x is another name for q. So this q gets one more name, x. The second argument is missing. So the second argument is missing, so default value 10 comes in variable y. So your y contains 10. Now here x modulo y, what is x? 41. What is y? 10. So 41 modulo 10. When you divide 41 with a 10, the remainder is 1. The condition tested here not equal to 0. So 1 not equal to 0, condition true, this statement will be executed. Prefix, change and use. So first change, plus plus x, plus plus 41, it becomes 42. And after that 42 should be used for returning the answer. So return 42. And to where 42 is returned? To the point from where the function was called. So here you get 42, that is assigned to p, so your p contains 42. Finally, when the control comes here, remember names x and y does not exist. So this name does not exist, this one does not exist. Next line. Here you get the answer. C out output operator P. There is no output operator space here. So output operator Q. P is 42, Q is 42. So you get 42, 42. And because of end L, the cursor goes to next line. Now again, the same symbol, function symbol. So it's a function. On encountering a function call, finally control reaches the point where the function is defined. The first argument is passed into first parameter. Here ampersand sign is there, meaning this one is a reference variable. So X is another name for P. So P gets one more name, X. Now the second argument is not given. So the default value 10 comes in variable Y. Now x modulo y. What is x? It is 42. What is y? 10. So 42 modulo 10. It is 2. And a 2 not equal to 0. Condition true. So this will be executed. Prefix change and use plus plus x plus 42. It becomes 43. And 43 should be used for returning the answer. Meaning return 43. To where 43 is returned? To the point from where the function was called. So here you get 43, that is assigned it to Q. So now your Q becomes 43. Finally, when the control comes here, remember the names X and Y does not exist. Now next line. C out output operator P. P is 43. There is no output operator space. So without any space, output operator Q. Q is 43. So in the monitor you get 43, 43. And because of end L, the cursor goes to next line. And here the program terminates. So for this program, this is the output.